Alright, so we are going to be looking at making your logos. I am not going to lie, this is probably one of my favorite parts to do. So on Schoology, you're going to scroll down to the bottom and you're going to find today's folder, which is the Restaurant Impossible. Yesterday we worked on the brainstorming, which was this one right here. Today we are going to be doing our logo maker. So to click on the logo maker, just click the button and it's going to take you to the online logo maker. Now there's a lot of different things that you can do with this. You can upload your own images, which I love. That's my favorite. That's why I like this website. And so if you are going to want to upload your images, you just go over to this device. I'm just going to find a random picture. I don't know what's going to pop up. And let's see. We're going to do that one. It's going to be my logo for my restaurant. It's called Kiddos. So once you upload it, you want to resize it, of course. Let me delete some of my stuff on there. So to delete, all you do is just click on highlight, delete. So I'm going to bring my picture back up. So there's my picture of my logo. Now I'm going to add text. And there are a lot of different fonts that you can use, so don't feel like you have to stick with a specific type. But keep in mind, your text also tells the story of your restaurant. So, for instance, if I had this logo, people will be like, "What the heck's wrong with you?" But if I had that logo, my text, I wouldn't want a fancy text because it would just look really weird. I would want one that kind of matches with it, kind of a handwritten or a child-friendly type text. I'm going to call my restaurant Buckaroos for like little kids, like a Chuck E. Cheese. It's a generic Chuck E. Cheese. And so I can change how big I want the font. You can also change the font size by dragging it like that. And then you can change the color. And let's see what else. You can change it so that it's behind your picture or in front of your picture. Especially if you put your text down first and you put a picture on top, you probably want to bring your text up. So that's the buttons right there. I don't like that font. It's just going to bug me. There we go. That's more fun. Try standing on Buckaroos. So once you've kind of decided what your logo is, the one thing that it does not do, it does not make things go in like an arch, which I wish it would, but that's the only limitation that has. But you can make it go sideways and things like that. You just can't make it have that arch like that. Wish I could figure out, but I never could on this website. He's gonna carry it now. Boop boop boop. Buckaroos. So all you're going to do here is, once you're done, open up Snippet, snipping tool, and then you want to save it. And you're going to upload it onto Schoology, but you're also going to save it because you're going to need it for your menu and your other things. So make sure that you save it. Save it somewhere that you can find. Buck logo. Once you have your Buck logo or whatever your logo, you're going to go back into Schoology and then you're going to upload your logo, and that's all you have to do for this assignment. So I hope you have fun, get creative, and kind of play around with the website. I really enjoy doing this one because I love making logos. But don't think that you have to stay inside a box. Really think about what your restaurant is, and sometimes your logo and your name is just simple. You don't need it to be very complicated. Think of McDonald's. If you see that golden M, you know exactly what it is. They don't need a lot of crazy stuff flashing and coming off that M. You know what that M is just by looking at it. So sometimes simple is better. So have fun.